how to remove the spark plug on the Honda Accord 2012 or Honda Accord Euro 2012. Now first we're going to disconnect the wire. So you just push down the clip and then pull out the wire from the ignition coil. Now there is a bolt that you need to unscrew. So we're simply going to unscrew it. So turn the screw and then remove that. This will allow us to take out the ignition coil that sits on top of the spark plug. So here, pull it out. Here it comes out right now, so that's the ignition coil. Once it is removed, we can then proceed to remove the spark plug. So here is the ignition coil that sits. So here is a spark plug removal tool. So this one is a 16 millimeter. Okay, 16 millimeter. So it has a magnet on it. So once you unscrew the spark plug, it will pull out. The magnet will help you pull out the spark plug. So turn it anti-clockwise. Now there will be a lot of turning and twisting, so keep going. Just keep turning and twisting. And then turn. And eventually you should be able to suck out the spark plug. If you can't do it, then that means it's still not fully unscrewed. So keep unscrewing the spark plug and you should be able to pull it out. So continue to do so. And eventually it will come out, and it is. So that's how you can remove the spark plug on the Honda Accord Euro 2012. And then continue to remove any other spark plugs that you would like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.